Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well. So guys, this is a very quick video, and in this video I'm going to just talk about the predictions for the various colleges, and I'm also going to talk about the feedback from today's exam and what we expect next. Okay, so what's going to happen? Would there be a normalization, and how the things will pan out now? Okay, so I'm going to talk about all those things, and I hope I answer many of your questions. Okay. सो गाइस देखो आज का जो स्नैप का जो फीडबैक था, ओके 9th of Jan. Now obviously 9th Jan was a bit trickier or more difficult than the 6th Jan wala paper, and the difference would be like 5 to 6 questions. Okay, but still the feedback was that the quants was slightly difficult, and English was also tricky. Like most people are saying that English was not tricky, but then English was not difficult, but then it was tricky. ठीक है, so अभी देखते हैं कि अभी इसमें आगे क्या होने वाला है. Okay, so before we get started with the discussion, the analysis and the prediction of the cutoffs for colleges, guys, some quick messages. Okay, so I hope all of you are participating in Unacademy Combat. Okay, so guys, this is a fantastic competition to participate in, and the next Unacademy Combat is on 10th of January, so that's tomorrow. Okay, so today it's 9th of January, so tomorrow prizes हैं बहुत सारे, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 and rank 4. Okay, so you can try this out. Okay, so guys, these are some of the batches that are coming up on the Unacademy Plus, so you might consider subscription. Okay, you can use my code HSING to subscribe, okay, to get a discount. Okay, so these are some of the batches that we see on the screen, and guys, these are some of the toppers that we have from Unacademy, and you can see that most of them have scored 99 plus percentiles overall. Okay, so that means obviously like some good performance from the students of Unacademy. So guys, now let me give you a quick feedback of how the things have happened, and what is that I have observed after talking to so many people. Okay, so यार यहाँ पे देखो feedback जो है वो थोड़ा सा mixed आ रहा है मेरे पास. Now most people I know, okay, like obviously I accept the fact that the students I know I'm talking to are not the representative sample size, but most of them have attempted 40 to 45 questions. Okay, so guys, this is the number of questions that people have attempted. Now the initial feedback that I got from the students was that the paper was very tough. ठीक है, तो ये इनिशियल फीडबैक आया था कि सर बहुत टफ पेपर था. ठीक है, बट नाउ एज आई कीप टॉकिंग टू स्टूडेंट्स एंड like through WhatsApp and through various messages, what they're telling me is that most of them have actually managed to do around 12 to 13 questions on English. Okay, most of them said that the logical section, the LR section like was very manageable, though they said that quant section was definitely difficult. ठीक है, so initially जो feedback था वो ये था कि सर पूरा पेपर टफ है, but now like as I talk to people, a lot of them have actually attempted 40 to 45 questions, and they claim that they have 80% accuracy. Now guys, that is something that some people are claiming, and in the case of English, the verbal section was actually tricky. ठीक है, it is not tough. Okay, it's actually tricky. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो fill in the blanks हैं उनमें grammar based questions जो हैं उसमें time ज़्यादा लग रहा है, because like the questions were lengthy and like you have to read it and then you have to solve it, and one thing that becomes very clear from this paper is that when you look at any exam that happens in multiple slots, the previous slots tell you nothing about the upcoming slot. ठीक है, तो एक चीज तो देखो बहुत क्लियर हो गई, हमें एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज यहाँ पे मिल गया, because a lot of students, even the faculties, even I thought that the upcoming slot for SNAP would be reflection of what happened in the last two slots, लेकिन यार ऐसा नहीं हुआ, and in fact what happened today was actually very different from the sort of paper that we saw in the last two slots. ठीक है, in fact मैं तो यहाँ तक कहूँगा कि भाई जिस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस लास्ट टू स्लॉट्स में आ रहे थे उससे बिल्कुल डिफरेंट, बिल्कुल एक अलग ही तरह का पेपर आपको देखने को मिला. दो इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, ओके, आई वुड नॉट से दैट इट वाज अ डिफिकल्ट पेपर, बट देन इट वाज लाइक अ स्लाइटली डिफरेंट थिंग, राइट? And nothing that happened in the last two slots could predict what is going to happen in today's slot, right? So guys, that was the feedback now the students I know, I'm personally in touch with, okay, like most of them have attempted around 12 to 13 questions on the English, though they claim that they don't exactly know whether the answer are correct or not, but then most of them are sure that at least 80% would be correct. ठीक है, तो मुझे इंग्लिश का ऐसा डिफिकल्ट का फीडबैक नहीं मिल रहा, मुझे मिल रहा है फीडबैक की सर क्वेश्चंस थोड़े से ट्रिकी थे, लेकिन फिर भी maximum people are saying that they will still get around 10 questions right, 9 to 10 questions right, okay, because most of them are attempting around 12 13 questions. Okay, now again I am saying that, okay, it's not a representative sample size because I have talked to like 15-20 students, okay, तो उनका जो मैसेज है उसके बेसिस में मैं बता रहा हूँ, yeah, but most of them said that the quant was difficult, okay, so that is for sure. So अभी देखो जल्दी से बातचीत कर लेते हैं, what are the things that we saw in English, and then I would come to the colleges and the cutoff. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you about the English section, the verbal section, okay, which is like basically my area, right? So guys, as usual there was no reading comprehension, so that was good, there was no reading comprehension. एक्टिव पैसिव का क्वेश्चन था, एक्टिव पैसिव के जो क्वेश्चंस थे, आई थिंक दिस वाज समथिंग दैट कंफ्यूज्ड सम पीपल, ओके, दे सेड दैट सर द क्वेश्चन वाज नॉट इजी, ओके, मे बी इट वाज मॉडरेट और मे बी डिफिकल्ट, ओके, some of them were able to solve it, some of them were not able to solve it, so I cannot say that it was an easy question, okay, so that was something that surprised many. Then vocabulary based questions, antonym questions थे, vocab based दो questions थे, ठीक है, in the last test that we saw on the last वाला slot, ठीक है, जो 6th का slot था, जो 6th of Jan का slot था, उसमें 7 questions based on vocabulary, so like this time like there were only 2 questions, okay, so obviously the number of questions based on vocab came down, but the questions were easy, okay, so this was the feedback. idioms and phrases, so idioms and phrases में जो idiom आए थे बहुत easy आए थे, ठीक है, okay, now there was an idiom to call spade a spade, okay, to call spade a spade, now that is one of the easiest idiom that you can expect, okay, to call a spade is basically to tell the reality, to tell the truth, not mincing the words, to tell about a situation in the most candid, frank manner, forthright manner, where you don't hide anything and you are not scared of the fact that you might end up offending someone, ठीक है, तो जो चीज जैसी है आप वैसी बताते हो, that is what calling spade a spade is, right? So that is obviously an easy idiom, okay, so most people found the idioms to be manageable. Parajimbals का एक क्वेश्चन था which again was of medium difficulty. Figure of speech पे एक क्वेश्चन था, okay, now I could not exactly get the question, okay, so but then there was this one question on figure of speech, and many people said that they were able to do it, okay, so what was the question I don't exactly know, okay, so I was just talking to some people. Normalization 100% देखो होना है, अब यहां से देखो क्या होने वाला है. Now let me guys explain this, that a lot of you are scared that today's paper did not go well, so what will happen, what will not happen. So let me just clarify this, okay, let me put it like this. Those of you who have sat for multiple slots, okay, so let's say you have sat for like the first slot that happened on 20th of December and like this slot today, so obviously आपको तो problem वैसे भी नहीं है, because obviously the better of the score would be considered and like you already have sat for the 20th December का slot, तो उसमें आपने perform किया ही होगा, ठीक है. The second category of the students can be that who only selected one slot and that was today's slot, and like they found it paper to be difficult, and indeed it was difficult because most people were not able to manage quant, and some of us were not even able to handle the English section because it was slightly tricky, ठीक है. So देखो, my suggestion is this. See, there's nothing to fear because there is 100% upscaling that's going to happen, okay, and there's going to be a normalization because see, there is such a wide difference between the difficulty levels of different slots, so it is not possible that they might consider these scores on the same platform, okay, like you cannot decide the cutoffs cannot be uniform. So अब या तो आप ऐसा करो कि you give individual slot wise cutoffs, okay, so like every college will have like 3 cutoffs, okay, like the 20th December का cutoff अलग है, 6th का cutoff अलग है और 9th of Jan का cutoff अलग है, so it would become a very cumbersome process because in that sense, okay, obviously like you would have 3 different cutoffs and like maybe like that is something that they would want to do, I don't know, ठीक है, but then that would become very cumbersome, okay, like so obviously जो आज के slot की cutoffs हैं फिर वो lower end पे आएंगी, ठीक है. तो एक तो वो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आप यार स्लॉट्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही कट ऑफ्स निकाल दो, एंड लाइक एवरी कॉलेज हैज लाइक 3 कट ऑफ्स, राइट, ओके, सो स्लॉट 1 स्लॉट 2 स्लॉट 3 के लाइक तीनों के कट ऑफ्स अलग अलग है. 20th दिसंबर का ये कट ऑफ है, 6th का ये कट ऑफ है और 9th का ये कट ऑफ है. द सेकंड वे टू हैंडल द सिचुएशन इज बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली we are getting that feedback that there is so much difference in difficulty, okay, so the second thing that can happen is that there would be normalization and like these scores would be लाइक अपस्केल्ड. सो ऑब्वियसली नॉर्मलाइजेशन के अंदर फिर वो सारे के सारे आपके स्कोर्स जो हैं वो कंपैरेबल हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो इवन दोस पीपल हु हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू परफॉर्म वेरी वेल टुडे, ओके, एंड दे हैव गिवन अ डिसेंट परफॉर्मेंस, ओके, सो दे वुड नॉट बी एट अ डिसएडवांटेज. नाउ व्हाट आई पर्सनली बिलीव इज दैट इट्स अ cumbersome process to have 3 different cutoffs according to 3 different days. ठीक है, जो आपके 26 और 9 को थे. तो मुझे लगता है कि नॉर्मलाइजेशन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज लाइक दैट इज व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्सपर्ट्स आर आल्सो प्रेडिक्टिंग. ओके, सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट टू हैपन, राइट? Now guys, coming to the final question, what would be the cutoffs? Now guys, what you see on the screen are the predicted cutoffs as per the today's like है ना the today's slot. ठीक है. So देखो आज का जो अच्छा attempts था, what was the good attempt? Okay, what should be the attempt for SIBM Pune? So guys, SIBM Pune अगर तुम target कर रहे हो, what should have been your attempts? Okay, I would say anyone who is targeting SIBM Pune would be attempting around 40 to 45 questions, and I personally know a lot of students who have actually attempted 40 to 45. There are some students who have attempted more than 45. लेकिन एक चीज समझना, बहुत सारे यहाँ पे हम लोग गेसेस भी मार रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो मैं जब कह रहा हूँ 40 to 45, तो दीज आर गाइज द जेन्युइन अटेम्प्ट्स, क्योंकि जेन्युइन अटेम्प्ट्स में आपका नॉर्मली एक्यूरेसी 85% के अराउंड रहता है, और जो आपने तुक्के मारे हैं या जो आपने गेसेस लिए हैं, तो उस हिसाब से तो फिर ऑब्वियसली यू कैन अटेम्प्ट मोर देन 45 प्लस ऑल्सो. सो व्हेन आई से व्हाट इज द डिसेंट नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स, आई एक्चुअली मीन जेन्युइन अटेम्प्ट्स वेयर यू हैव like 85 to 90% accuracy. ठीक है, तो उस रेंज में अपना accuracy चल रहा है. So anyone who is putting genuine attempts of around 40 to 45 or even 45 plus can expect a call from SIBM Pune, assuming that जो आपका जो accuracy है वो 90-85% के अराउंड चल रहा है. So that would be the cutoff for SIBM Pune guys. Okay, so this is the predicted number 36 to 40. Okay, SCMHRD का ओके, ऑब्वियसली 2 नंबर कम मान लो, 2-3 नंबर. ठीक है, सो इट वुड बी 35. नाउ गाइज, प्रिडिक्टिंग द परसेंटाइल्स इज टफ बिकॉज बिलीव मी, परसेंटाइल्स इज समथिंग दैट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू प्रिडिक्ट बिकॉज परसेंटाइल्स बेसिकली डिपेंड्स ऑन रिलेटिव परफॉर्मेंस, एंड लाइक it's obviously like it would be total imagination if we can predict the relative performance as well. तो मैं यहाँ पे परसेंटाइल्स नहीं लिख रहा, मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ कुछ प्रिडिक्टेड नंबर्स लिख रहा हूँ. द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू नीड टू गेट करेक्ट इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द कॉल. ठीक है, तो कितना क्वेश्चन आपको करेक्ट करना है, या आप ये कह सकते हो कि आपने अटेम्प्ट किए तो इतने क्वेश्चन आपके सही होने चाहिए. ठीक है, नेगेटिव हटाने के बाद. सो लाइक दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन सी एज the required number to get the call, right? So SIBM के लिए I believe this should be around 36 to 40, and like there are a lot of people who have actually attempted 45 plus, तो उनका इतना correct हो जाएगा. ठीक है, SCMHRD के लिए इट्स 35 क्वेश्चंस, SIIB के लिए इट्स 33 क्वेश्चंस, SIBM बैंगलोर के लिए इट्स 30 to 32 क्वेश्चंस, एंड SIOM के लिए इट्स 27 क्वेश्चंस, SIIB एग्री बिजनेस के लिए इट इज 25 क्वेश्चंस. अभी देखो मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज समझाता हूँ. In Symbiosis there are more than 20 colleges. Now if you have 30 plus, ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारा 30 प्लस का स्कोर आ रहा है 30 प्लस, तो यू कैन इजिली एक्सपेक्ट टू गेट कॉलेजेस विच आर SIIB एंड बिलो. ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा SIIB का जो टॉप प्रोग्राम है उससे कॉल आ जाएगा. ठीक है, जो BM का प्रोग्राम है उससे कॉल आ जाएगा, फिर एग्री का तो ऑब्वियसली आ ही जाएगा, और SIIB के नीचे वाले सारे कॉल्स आ जाएंगे इफ यू हैव 30 प्लस का स्कोर. ठीक है, सो 30 प्लस इफ यू आर गेटिंग, ओके दैट्स वेल एंड गुड. 30 प्लस के लिए मान लो आपकी अटेम्प्ट होने चाहिए कुछ अराउंड 35-36 के अराउंड. 36 अटेम्प्ट किए हैं, 80% 85% एक्यूरेसी है, तो 30 प्लस आपके करेक्ट हो जाएंगे. लाइक यू वुड गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम SIIB एंड लाइक ऑल दी कॉलेजेस बिलो SIIB एज वेल. ठीक है, नाउ इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट द बॉटम मोस्ट कॉलेजेस दैट यू हैव ऑन दी स्नैप. ठीक है, बॉटम मोस्ट का मतलब ये SIIB एग्री से स्टार्ट हो गए, SIMC है, SITM है, फिर SITM के मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स हैं. ठीक है, जिनकी मैंने कट ऑफ अलग से नहीं लिखी. ठीक है, और भी बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं जो SIIB के नीचे आते हैं. सो इफ यू आर गाइज लुकिंग एट SIIB के नीचे वाले प्रोग्राम्स, देन यू आर लुकिंग एट समथिंग लाइक 20 to 25 करेक्ट अटेम्प्ट्स फॉर द बॉटम मोस्ट कॉलेजेस. ठीक है, अभी एक चीज ध्यान रखना, this prediction is not based on the normalized score. This is based only on today's slot. So guys, what you have to understand is, अभी जो predictions आ रहे हैं, तुम एक चीज समझो, अभी जो predictions आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, मैं अपने prediction की बात नहीं कर रहा. whatever predictions are coming from different websites, whatever predictions are coming from different like analysts, or you can say that okay, the gurus, they are predicting it on the basis of दैट पर्टिकुलर स्लॉट, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये इम्पॉसिबल है कि आप तीनों स्लॉट्स का एक एवरेज निकाल के प्रिडिक्शन लगा दो, ठीक है. आई थिंक दैट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट एंड लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी प्रिडिक्टिंग द परसेंटाइल्स इज एक्चुअली इम्पॉसिबल, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज essentially going to happen, okay, this number will give you an approximate idea as to whether or not you're expecting a call, because आपको पता है कि आपके genuine attempts कितने हैं, और genuine attempts का 80 to 85% आपकी आराम से एक्यूरेसी आती है, ठीक है. तो इस बेसिस पे आप निकाल सकते हो, जो मैंने स्कोर्स यहाँ पे लिखे हैं कि इतना अगर तुम्हारा आ रहा है तो आज की बेसिस पे तुम्हारे कॉल्स आ जाएंगे. देन you can obviously look at the final normalized scores that will come, okay, and obviously those of you who now think that you are at a disadvantage because you sat for like 9th wala slot, okay, you would realize that everything becomes normal and everything is okay. Okay, so guys, this was my take on the paper, and my suggestion would be that don't overanalyze. Like, now snap is done, okay, now इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अदर एग्जाम्स, ठीक है, तो आप में से जो लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको लगता है कि अभी तक जैट और कैट का रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आया और स्नैप आपको लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा अनप्रिडिक्टेबल हो रहा है, माय सजेशन टू यू पीपल वुड बी लाइक डोंट ओवर एनालाइज. नाउ स्नैप इज डन, ओके, अभी खत्म हो गया, ठीक है, तो इस पे कोई एनालिसिस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ फोकस ऑन द अदर एग्जाम्स दैट यू स्टिल हैव, लाइक सीमैट और सीईटी एंड अदर एग्जाम्स लाइक टिसनेट वगैरह अगर तुम लिख रहे हो तो, ठीक है. और इसकी कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज लाइक ऑब्वियसली लाइक नाउ दिस इज डन एंड लाइक व्हाटएवर स्कोर्स विल कम, राइट. ओके, सो यू कैन फोकस ऑन फ्यूचर एंड जस्ट लीव इट and that's it. Okay, so guys, that was my take, and I hope this will help SOA or reduce your fears. तो जिन लोगों को थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा था, तो I think this would give them confidence that okay, it's not that big a deal because normalization is expected and everything would be okay. Okay, so that would be all. Okay, see you. Thank you.